may contain titanium dioxide. Hey everyone, it's Daisy here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing, or opening rather, this. It is the TokiDoki Showbag. Whoa! So, inside this bag are some cool items, and I'm going to take them out one by one and show you. So let's open up the first thing. It is this. We have a TokiDoki little mermicorn purse. Or little baggie. Aww, so cute. Smells like plastic. Yay. Next we have sunnies. Yes, I always need pairs of sunglasses because I seem to lose them or break them or sit on them or just, they disappear. They're plastic and they've got TokiDoki written on the side and they're glitter. That's cool. So I'm just gonna rip off the tag and peel off the sticker. Do I suit the sunglasses? Next we have, what is this? What is that? It's squishy. Why is this? A cold pack. Interesting. I've never received one of these before, and I don't have any of these. This is quite useful. So you put this in the freezer, and it just becomes a cold pack. You put it in your lunchbox, or you got a little bruise on your knee and you put it on your knee. That is so cute. The design on it, oh my goodness, cute. Stop it. Okay, next we have this. It is a glitter gel. Okay, glitter gel. What is it used for? I do not know. Let me open it. Is that makeup? Whoa. Okay, it's like a little bit slimy. It's got glitter and it's gel. That's literally what the name suggests what it is. And it's got like this thing too. I really don't know. I think it's makeup, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna test that out possibly later on to see if it is makeup. I'm pretty sure it's makeup. What? The packaging is so super duper cute though. Like, look at that mermaid. You will see that in close up because that needs a close up. God damn. The next thing we have in here is a bag. Ooh, it's a barrel bag. Hello. It has more mermicornos on it. So one on the side, one on the other side, a few different designs, and some on the front. Very cute. I can use this for the gym because I always go to the gym. Okay, there's still more stuff in this. So if you guys were wondering how much it was like $26, I believe. That's Australian money, so you can do the conversion to wherever you live. I have this. Oh yeah, I love socks. I always lose them though. I'm not a good sock keeper, if that's a thing. But these are socks. I'm gonna put them on my feet. Ugh. Whoa. Yeah. They're like slightly on the smaller side. But that's kind of cool because I could wear my chucks with these. Sweet. You see those? You see those? Yeah. Next we have, what is this? What are these? We have erasers. Yay. I don't use erasers that much, but it's good to know that I have some now in all sorts of different colors. That's really cute. I really like the pineapple version. Okay, what else do we have in here? Ooh, whoa. Okay, we have nail polish. Jeez, I haven't had like actual nail polish or bought actual nail polish for a very long time. I use gel polish now because it just seems to handle me. I can put it on and not worry about it for like 3 weeks. But these are like old school nail polishes and they come in all sorts of colors. So we've got blue, teal, pink, purple and yellow. And on the packaging, it's so cute. They've got the little characters. Yo, I wonder how good these are though. Usually nail polish is like... Last thing, but it's like the cutest thing ever, is this plushie. Look how cute it is. Oh my goodness. So soft. It literally is really soft though. The tote bag that comes with, to begin with, is so cute. It's like underwater. themed. Can you see that? Can you see it? Can you see the designs? Yep, that's everything in here. I think I've got a couple more show bags I need to open up on my channel. So if you'd like to see a Hello Kitty version or Domo version, I do have those. So make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!